In today's video, we are going to talk about descaling the Ninja Luxe Cafe espresso machine. It's really just 3 steps. First of all, you've got to mix up your descaling solution. Then you've got to let the machine do the descaling. It takes about 90 minutes. And after that, you've got to rinse. But let's first talk about why descale in the first place. So why descale in the first place? Well, you see, tap water has got a bunch of minerals in it. And that's both a good thing and a bad thing. In this tap water, you're gonna have a bunch of calcium in there, magnesium, maybe some other minerals too. And the problem is that those can get lodged within the little lines of the espresso machines, basically causing them a cardiac arrest. And we wanna keep those lines nice and clean. So it's very important to descale. So let's see how to prepare the solution. I'm going to use the Ninja descaling powder right here. And we have to dilute this in 1.1 liters of water. As it turns out, each milliliter is equal to 1 gram of water. So I'm just going to fill it up to 1100 grams. After that, gonna open up this package, dump it in, and get it nice and dissolved. All right, next step, I'm gonna put the solution into the water tank, but first I've got to remove my water filter. So if you happen to have a water filter, remove that. Alrighty, now let's go back downstairs and use our solution. Alrighty, now that we've got our solution mixed up here, the rest is pretty easy. I'm just going to put my water reservoir here on the back, and what we have to do is make sure that our drip tray is empty. So I'm gonna do that. And they say to put the milk container back in, to make sure that you've got your double basket here installed in the portafilter. Then we need to fit a 550 milliliter cup here to catch the water that's going to come out. And then it's very simple. Just press the descale button here and press start. Now, my machine is not requesting that I do it. I'm not prompted to do so, but you can do it preemptively as I'm doing now. And this should take somewhere around 90 minutes. See you in a jiffy. All right, just about finished. And it did in fact take exactly an hour and a half. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, all done, very nice. Now what we have to do, of course, is empty out the contents of this here because this is descaling solution. So I'm going to empty out my milk jug, this container, the drip tray, because that does also collect a little bit, not much. And then wash these in warm, soapy water. I'm also going to rinse out very well the water tank here and fill it up with fresh, Brita filtered water. Now that I've given these things a nice wash in some warm, soapy water according to the directions, I'm just going to replace everything as it belongs. I've got my water tank filled back up with fresh Brita filtered water. And if you are using a water filter inside, now would be the time to reinstall it. And now we're just about done. You just have to give it a short rinse. And all we got to do for that is select coffee, classic, size, medium, plus. And we're gonna let water run through here. So make sure that whatever reservoir you're using here to catch the liquid coming out, it's gotta be 355 milliliters or 12 ounces at least. Alrighty, now that we got the brew group and the portafilter rinsed, we can go ahead and rinse the steam wand as well. For that, you wanna have your milk jug removed because you can dispense the water right here into the drip tray. So for that, I'm just going to press the purge button. And there it comes out right there. Alrighty, and now we're good to go again for the next time. Machine is all ready again to make you some delicious shots of espresso and nice milk drinks. Now, I would really recommend doing this on a regular basis, especially if you live in a hard water area. I myself use a Brita filter to remove some of the minerals, some of the hardness out of the water to begin with, but even so, I would recommend doing this every couple of months. And go ahead and bookmark this video or subscribe to the channel so that you can find this video again quickly in the future. Thanks so much for watching the video, guys. I hope it was helpful, and if so, hit that like button down below. And until next time, I say happy coffee drinking, happy espresso drinking. Bye now.